Are you ready? The show begin. 3, 2, 1.
Hi guys! Welcome to our vlog! And good morning everyone! Here we are in Tuka. Let's have fun! I'm Marjoline Evangelio.
And I am Hershey.
I'm Julia Montes.
And I am Arabella Bernal.
I'm Lovely Jane F. Kawan.
And I'm Shafit M. Medelo.
And join us to explore Marine Tuka Park. Yay!
Come and join us. We are going to Tuka Marine Park.
Sa mas tahimik at payapang mundo, umubulong ang hanging amihan at huni ng ibo.
Uy, huwag ka na magtampo. Sorry na kasi. Smile na yan, smile na yan.
Ng bundok.
Now you will see the beauty of Tuka. Let's go, go, go! So here we are guys, we are creating a big sand castle. Char. We are actually creating a table made by sand.
What are you doing? I'm posting! Lumsa!
Or let's prepare our food now because I'm hungry.
Let's go! Mukbang.
Okay.
Against the light.
Let's open the
So we have what do we call this?
sweet corn.
Sweet corn, rice. What is that? Pancit canton. And
Eggplant.
We have hot dogs.
And tortang puso or sali. Yeah. Oh, I can open it.
Oh, we have only two.
Oh, and we have
Or we called it ginamos.